Good day to everyone. My name is Christian Gabriel A. Morales,
I am John Michael Pagarigan.
and we are students of the UST Fitness and Sports Management Program. And today, we are honored to present our undergraduate thesis entitled The Influence of Peer Pressure on Decision Making and Academic Performance of University of Santo Tomas Student Athletes. This study is part of our academic requirement and is proudly presented for the 8th International Organization of Health, Sports and Kinesiology International Conference. For the background of the study, as student athletes, the balance between academics, sports performance, and social life can be incredibly challenging. Peer groups often play a major role in shaping behavior and decision making. With that, our study aims to explore how peer pressure affects the decision making abilities and academic performance of student athletes in UST. For our theoretical and conceptual framework, our research is grounded in two key theories. First is the Bandura social learning theory, which was published in 1997. This explains that people learn behaviors by observing others, especially our peers. Then, on the other hand, Vygotsky's socio-cultural theory, 1978, highlights the role of social interaction and cultural context in cognitive development. Together, these theories help us understand how peer pressure could shape the thinking and choices of our student athletes. Next, for our research design and the description of our respondents, we used a quantitative and descriptive correlational approach. This allowed us to measure and describe the levels of peer pressure, decision making, and academic performance among the student athletes, and to analyze the relationships between these variables. To test for correlations, we applied the Pearson correlation analysis, a statistical method used to determine the strength and direction of relationships between continuous variables. As for our respondents, we gathered data from 98 student athletes from the second to fourth year levels who were enrolled in the University of Santo Tomas during the first semester of academic year 2024 to 2025. Our selection was focused on currently enrolled student athletes, regardless of their age, gender, or academic program, in order to provide a general overview of trends and relationships across the athletic population at UST.
For our first research question, we examined the level of peer pressure experienced by the participants using the peer pressure questionnaire revise. The results showed an average score of 1.97, which falls under the low category. This suggests that the majority of the student athletes in our sample were able to manage or resist peer pressure effectively. The overall average score for decision making showed that peer pressure significantly influences how student athletes make decisions. It refers to the pressure to conform to behaviors or standards set by peers. For student athletes, this can be both positive, motivating them to excel, and negative, leading to risky behavior or poor academic performance. As noted by Bark et al., peer influence is a key factor in shaping both academic and athletic choices. These findings help explains the decision-making scores presented in the table. For the third research question, what is the level of decision-making of the participants based on the decision-making domains? Our analysis showed the following. For self-confidence, had an average score of 2.63 interpreted as moderate, indicating that participants have a fair level of confidence but are still somewhat influenced by others. For vigilance, scored 2.51, also interpreted as moderate, suggesting a tendency to rely on others or delay decisions. Next is panic, had a score of 2.56, falling under low, which means participants may feel anxious or pressured when making quick decisions. Evasiveness recorded 2.95, considered moderate, reflecting hesitation or indecision in challenging situations. Lastly, complacency scored 2.62, also moderate, showing that participants sometimes rely on others but may also take initiatives at times. Overall, the participants demonstrate a moderate level of decision making across all domains with some signs of hesitation, reliance on peers, and occasional confidence. In terms of decision making, we assess five domains: self confidence, vigilance, panic, evasiveness, and complacency. Using the adolescent's decision making questionnaire, the analysis revealed significant positive correlations between peer pressure and all five decision making domains, with correlation coefficients ranging from 0.35 to 0.47 and a p-value less than 0.05. This indicates that as peer pressure increases, there is a measurable impact on how student athletes make decisions across these domains. For academic performance, we measured the participants' term weighted average from the previous term. The average TIWA among respondents was 2.17, which reflects their general academic standing. And for our last research question, interestingly, our study also found a statistical significant but weak positive correlation between peer pressure and academic performance, with a correlation coefficient of 0.2604 and a p-value of 0.0104. This suggests that while the influence of peer pressure on academic performance is limited, it is still present and worth considering, especially in developing support strategies for student athletes. Based on the results of our study, we offer the following recommendations. Number one, increase the study population. Future researchers are encouraged to include a larger number of participants to gain a deeper understanding of how peer pressure affects decision making and academic performance among student athletes. Number two, expand the scope. We recommend involving student athletes from other university, not just the University of Santo Tomas, to improve the generalizability of the findings. Number three, explore further relationships. Future studies should continue exploring the relationship between peer pressure, decision making, and academic performance to uncover more patterns and contributing factors. Number four, develop new tools. Educators and researchers may also consider creator or enhancing data gathering tools and methods to better assess the correlation among these variables. And lastly, the significance of the study. Based on the results of our study, we offer the following. And for the last part, number one, for educators and coaches, the result of this study can help in evaluating how peer pressure influence student athletes, allowing for improvements in school policies and coaching approaches. Number two, for coaches and counselors. Mental health seminars and guidance sessions can be conducted to help student athletes better understand and cope with the effects of peer pressure. Number three, For student athletes, engaging in coach-led team activities can improve communication, foster teamwork, and raise awareness about the influence of peer pressure on decision-making and academic performance. And that concludes our presentation. Thank you for your time and attention, and we wish you a pleasant and productive day.
Again, thank you. My name is Christian Gabriel A. Morales.
And I am John Michael Pagirigan.
Thank you and have a wonderful day.